Marchan and I like volcanoes. Volcanoes are mountains. They are connected to the center of Earth, as you can see in this image. There are many volcanoes in the planet, as you can see in this map. In Mexico, there are many volcanoes. My favorite volcano is Volcán de Tequila. It's located in Jalisco. I like this volcano because it's close to my home. Now let's see an eruption.